So I just took my hair down from my little puff thing. And I'm just going to part it down the middle and try to separate it best I can because my hair is all types of tangled and knotted. Okay, now one side I'm just going to pull into like a loose little ponytail or whatever. The other side I'm going to like fix the part because that's crooked. We don't like crooked parts. Maybe you do, but I don't. So we're going to fix it. Alright, now we're going to take our little clip and, oh, I have an undercut, so I have to like clip that out of the way because it's not going to go into the ponytail because I'm growing out or whatever. Take your spray bottle and spritz it so that you can actually, maneuver your hair. And now I'm just going to part out the section that we're going to make the little, put the rubber bands at. Yeah, I struggled for a bit trying to figure out how I wanted to do it. But I did it in kind of like, I was going to do triangles, but hair is weird, so they're not really triangles. So, just to get that part as straight as possible. And I think that's where I'm going to keep that one at, that section at. Oh, no, I'm still doing stuff. Alright, so I just took a bunch of like the green Eco Styler, the olive oil one, because I have a big old jug of it. And I'm not going to get a new one until it runs out. So just put it all around the root of your hair there. Slick up your edges, slick down the back part, get all your hair out the way. And then put the rubber band on it. I'm going to like refix my edges later. But I'm trying to make the rubber bands go in the order of like the colors on my shirt. So I'm pretty sure this one's orange because I think the guy, the little Sesame Street dude on that side is orange. So try to get it in like tight, but not too tight because I put them in too tight and oh my gosh, my head was hurting so bad. So yeah, all that pulling and stuff I'm doing is not necessary. Don't do that. Unless you want a headache. If you want a headache, go ahead. Now we're parting this in the next section and basically like the same kind of process. Just gonna part it to however you see fit. And then get the Eco Styler. And I know people don't like Eco Styler, but like I make natural hair care products, but I haven't made a gel yet, so I'm gonna keep using this until I make one. Because my hair's not messed up yet, so. Just put it all around the root part. Brush it in. Try not to like hit other parts of your hair because that's what I did a lot and it was very frustrating. I get that rubber band and tie it around your hair. And then you're gonna do that again for like the last one. Now here I have all three, parted and what am I doing? Oh. Yeah, see, whenever you like brush up, you get the hair caught in the other one that wasn't supposed to be caught in, but that's what happened. So anyways, got all three of those all parted out. So now what I'm going to do is spray the back and we're going to, gel it up and stuff. Oh, I'm spraying my ends too so that they can be curly and pretty. So I use a leave-in conditioner by Rissa, which is the natural hair care products that I make. Put that all in my hair to protect it. Just make sure it's moisturized while it's in this style. because it's extremely drying because of all the gel that I have to use. Then I take the Eco Styler and slick it up. And like I found that like you need to like comb your roots or else it's not gonna slick up how you want it to slick up. I should have used a different comb because it has like, you know, teeth on both sides and it was very frustrating. Alright, now I take my brush and I slick it all up with the brush because now the roots are detangled, so it's easier to do this. Get the sides where that part is because that is important. And you see that undercut just disappear? Where is it? Find my undercut because I can't find it. It's the power of gel. Alright, so then I'm just pulling all of the, I didn't really like crisscross them or anything. I just pulled them all up into the ponytail. Like the little 3 rubber band pieces. Just pulled them up into the ponytail. Got a hair tie. Oh, there's the undercut. That's rude. If you have an undercut like me and you're growing it out, then just, you know, swipe it up there. You want to snatch all of your edges. Your scalp needs to be folded. I'm kidding. Don't do that. But, you know, make the ponytail tight. I'm pulling it back because, you know, I want you to see the little rubber bands. Now you do the same thing on the other side. And here I'm just slicking up, you know, just in case. And then getting my got to be glued because it's strong as I don't know what. And slicking up everything just to make sure that it's super snatched. Now I'm going to do my edges with the Eco Styler. And that is the finished look. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment other videos that you want me to make, and I will be sure to do that. Thank you for watching.